think there's such an importance in educating the general non-glass community about the process of what it takes to make glass. I think folks that come from the general population, they walk into Target or Walmart or wherever, and they can see these vases for like, $5, $10, $15, $20, and they're going to see something comparable, in the sense of like volume and perhaps even color that's made by hand, that's going to be 10 times the cost at a minimum. And I think that the sheer volume of interactions that we have is in some ways like a stabilizing factor in the wider glass community by basically giving more and more people an understanding of what it really means to make glass. And so when they go to their local farmers markets or they go or craft markets or museums or galleries, they understand that value and they're much more willing to support it.